In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set multiple take profits in Tradingview. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is log in using your credentials. If this is your first time using Tradingview, you'll want to click on the Sign Up option and follow the simple on-screen instructions. This will get you set up and ready to start trading in no time. Now, setting up multiple take profits in Tradingview involves a straightforward process of placing different profit-taking orders at varying price levels. To get started, head over to the Product section and click on Super Charts. Open the chart for the asset you're interested in trading. This is the baseline from which you will be working. From here, it's time to enter a trade. You can choose your preferred method, whether it's a market order, limit order, or stop order, depending on your trading strategy. In this demonstration, I'll use one of these options to show you how it's done. Next, let's focus on indicators. You'll want to add any metrics and strategies that are crucial for your analysis. For instance, you might include volume and moving averages to inform your trading decisions. Once you've added these, bring your mouse to a specific point on the chart. Right-click and navigate to the Trade option, then select Create New Order. This will give you access to a window where you can add a price label and a price note. After setting your first take profit level, you'll move on to the chart settings. Click on the Settings icon and navigate to the Scale and Lines tab. There, you'll see an option for trading settings. Click on that, and you'll be able to customize the appearance of your profit and loss areas. You might want to adjust these settings to tick or percentage, depending on your preference. This selection will help you better visualize your trading strategy as it unfolds. Now, with your first price point settled, you'll want to replicate this process to set multiple take profit levels. Simply copy the first price and paste it to set the new levels as you see fit. This approach allows you to preset multiple take profits directly at the time of placing your initial order or, alternatively, after the order is already open. By specifying price levels and quantities, if applicable, you can strategically manage your trades. Finally, setting multiple take profits in Tradingview provides advantages like effective risk management. You can lock in gains at various intervals, which facilitates a more structured trading approach tailored to your specific market outlook and analysis. This method enables you to execute trades with more precision and aligns your trading strategy with your broader financial goals. With these tools and techniques, you can enhance your trading efficacy and optimize your investment outcomes.